Hey guys, my name is Lillian and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Kerassentials before the maker. Purchase and mascara Kerassentials review. I'll give you an overview of this. The product, I'll tell you what it is, what it does, its formula, its benefit, how to use it, and the main question, does it really work? But I have some really important warnings regarding your health that should be taken into consideration. First, it's important to be cautious when purchasing your Kerassentials because it's only available on the official website. So I'll let the link to the official website down below in the description of this video for your convenience. Kerassentials is a natural oil-based supplement that's designed to fight the harmful effect of fungal infections on your hair, skin, and nails. And the supplement is marketed as a solution to help you to restore the health of your nails, skin, and hair. Plus, it refers the effects of fundamental infections while preventing the development of toenail fungus. Kerassentials are made of only nature ingredients that are effective in eliminating fungal growth and bacterial infections. In terms of healthcare, Kerassentials works, it targets the root cause of nail fungus, and unlike other nail treatments that only address the visible symptoms of nail fungus, Kerassentials targets the underlying cause to provide a more effective solution. The formula created by a doctor is a blend of proven fungus-fighting ingredients, with the primary component being the endositic acid, a fatty acid with antifungal properties at a concentration of 5%, and other ingredients in this formula includes lavender oil, tea tree oil, and other oils with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Plus, this formula contains antioxidants like vitamin E to help reduce inflammation and help in the healing process. Kerosene is non-gmal and non-hypotforming, and according to customer reviews, the majority of users had a positive experience with this formula as it worked effectively with all causing any side effects. The correct form of using this product is very simple. All you need to do is apply the liquid formula to your nails every single day, but keep in mind that you need to be committed if you don't take your treatment seriously. If you don't do it daily, you won't see great results, but if you do the treatment correctly, you should notice the first results within the first month. But the majority of users notice better results after 3 months of fusion. The princess of Kerassentials are so confident about this formula that they offer you a 100 money back guarantee, and this gives you the choice to return their Kerassentials if you're not completely satisfied with it. And the money back guarantee is valid for 60 days, and this gives you 2 whole months to test Kerassentials in return. If you're not satisfied, you can just contact the manufacturer and they will give you 100 of your money back. No problems, no questions asked. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comments and I'll be happy to assist you. And remember that if you want to buy your Kerassentials with the special discount, I'll leave the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and on the comments. I wish you the best with her treatment and have a nice day.